So that's about it for BCNF. Usually it's always like the same case. It tried to explain two tables in one relation, two relationships in one relation. Okay, so the 4NF is something also the same. It tries to explain too many things in one table. That's why it causes anomaly and it requires the 4NF. So the 4NF is the third normal form, and there is no independent multi-value dependency. Okay, let's see example. Alright, suppose an employee 10123 does a volunteer work for Red Cross and United Way. This is a volunteer work, volunteer organization. In addition, the same employee might be assigned to work on 3 projects. This is what happened in his or her office. This is in office. This is volunteer work. So it's a separate thing. And then everyone, and you try to fit in one table. So these are the 3 different ways how the facts here can be stored. This is style 1. If you put it like this, there is no relationship between these two. This is about the project, this is about the organization, and you will have null here because he only volunteered at 2 organization but assigned to 3 or maybe more projects. So you will have more nulls. If you store it like this, again with the nulls. But if you store it like this, there is a not necessary duplication here. This is because these 2 is not related. Okay, these 2 is not related. This is like all primary key attribute. Okay, so it is not dependent with each other. So this cause problem. Okay, so what we can do about this is to separate these to its own table. Okay, this is organization table. This can be an employee table. Obviously, you have the name, the job class, and so on. And this is for the maybe in project assignment table. Okay, so from here, so basically, when in 4NF, you will actually explode the tables. It becomes many tables from one, and it depends on what are the attributes in the first table. Yeah. So if you split it like this, okay, these are all 4NF. So 4NF, we doesn't use it as much because it produced too many tables at the end. And for the course, this is for your general knowledge. Okay, so this is the same as the earlier examples of the first normal form, second normal form. Yeah? So you can have employee table, an organization table, a service table. So this will store the volunteerism work. Okay, so it doesn't mix up. It's not mixed up with the assignment. So the assignment here will carry the key from employee, the key from project, and it can show who is assigned to which project without having any nulls, any mix up. Okay, so how do you want to know these tables? You actually get the idea from the original one. Alright, when you have these 3, employee, organization, assignment, okay, you can create more table to accommodate the rest of the keys to make it logical. So this one you can draw it in the ERD. Yeah? So employee, project, assignment, employee, project, assignment, and then organization and service. So service is the many-to-many bridge between employee and organization. Okay, you can look here. How do I know this one? I look at the primary key and the foreign key. So this is foreign key, this is composite key, and then this is also composite key. So these two tables are actually the composite entity. Okay, so these three we get it from here: employee, organization, assignment.